It's raining, it's raining. The dude's getting wet. It's hailing, it's hailing. Oh, god damn it. I was about to make a nice introduction. Hi guys, the sun is shining. We're gonna finish the Ferrari and then go for a drive. And look at what happens right now. This sucks. It's hailing, but Mark, he's like a tiger. He's here to clean the Ferrari. And he's not gonna give up. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark and this is my Ferrari 308 and welcome to the man cave. Today we're gonna do the job I have feared for so long, ever since the car came back from Gus. I was waiting for the final moment to put the final part on the Ferrari, but it's a two-man job, and that's why Mark came over here on this sunny day. Hey Mark, say hi Mark.
Yeah, hi Mark.
Yeah. Mark came here on a sunny day just to get the damn thing on as quickly as possible and then go out for a drive. But if you look very closely, you see it's hailing like, oh my god. We can drive. But the more falls right now, the better it is in an hour or so. So I'm gonna prepare the montage. Mark is cleaning the parts, and then we're gonna just put it up and hopefully this. Oh my god! Look at this. And he's a tiger. He's still sitting there. God damn it! Welcome to the Netherlands, where the weather is always shiny, sunny, and warm. And like Mark is like, he has no cold. I am like freaking. Look at this. Oh, God damn it. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna tape it up because I'm so afraid that we're gonna damage it. Now I trust Mark, but I don't trust myself. So I got a present for you, Mark.
Thank you.
Your very own tape. Yeah, perfect. Now, we're gonna position this one over here in front. Take that one, and slowly, very slowly, we're just gonna see how it fits. I think it will go underneath there, like this. Oh, on top. Okay, on top. Slowly let it sink and just find the place.
I can't see the holes.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Where are the holes?
I think no, on this side there are no holes. This is like this is the perfect spot here. And when we pinch it, see, then it will get a little bit rounder. Yeah, it's okay. So leave it.
Okay.
Leave it. Just
okay.
Job done. Okay. What I wanted to do, if you keep it one in place, because I'm just like, every time I try to do something, I always have to do it twice, because the rivets are underneath the deck. And we now just put the thing on so we can push the back up.
Oh,
so we're going to be very careful.
Oh,
very slowly.
I know.
Well, as you guys can see, we were struggling to find the right method how to install the rear deck. We had rivets, we had screws, we had it all prepared, but we just couldn't find the right method to get it all installed. It just doesn't fit. It's an old crappy car. It's very irritating.
Thousand years later.
Okay.
He wanted me to put it in. Again. Don't tell my wife. Second try. Let's do this. It's gonna work eventually. We will find our way.
Thousand years later.
Try number 545. I'm so glad we put the tape back here.
Yeah.
Okay, we think we found it. Okay guys, we found the first solution. We bolted the middle parts on. That worked. We're gonna now try to put the inner parts of the body on. And hopefully it then all comes together. You know, this build sums up all stupidity in the world. I'm not a mechanic. We forgot to remove the tape. So now Mark is trying where you can see it because it's grinching to see. To remove the tape. Yeah, don't... Yeah, I have the same problem over here. Sometimes I'm just like a stupid man who can't do anything right. In plain sight. Guys, we're done for today. This sucks, but it worked out. The grill is on its place. It's not really attached the way we should. And of course we've got a lot of time we need to spend fixing the final parts. Like this irritating piece that's really got on the nerves. But you know what? We just decided it's good enough. We're gonna clean up and we're gonna f***ing drive this thing. Sorry for my language.
Pardon my French.
Sorry for my French. Full start. Of course, but she finally got some response. Ah, so good. And I live at such a good place. Right from my house we can go into the polder, we call that in Dutch. It's where the animals live and the farmers. And we got lots of nice little roads over here. do, we're gonna find a nice spot to make a little montage. And hopefully Mark enjoys, after 5 years, being with me in the car again. Woohoo! Oh, the brakes work. Seats woken up. It's freaking cold and Mark is standing here with his t-shirt on. This is insane, but look at the view. She is gorgeous and she just woke up completely. I loved it. Do you like it?
Yep.
Yeah. It needs some tweaks, right?
Just
a little bit tweaking. Yeah. But look at the lovely place we are here. Very close to my home. It's perfect. Just I go out, drive about 3 to 4 minutes, then the engine warms up and then you can loosen it here in this beautiful landscape. And yes, we don't have mountains. We really need mountains here, Mark. We really need mountains here. But they found a solution for that. There you have the snow world. That's an artificial mountain, indoor mountain. Why can't we build freaking indoor mountains to drive our cars all day? Yeah, always the nicest weather. And yeah, that's a business plan. We're gonna do that. We got some cyclists hanging on the ceiling of that. Let's do this one quickly. Yes, please. No cyclists. No, no, no. We're gonna slowly move in, slowly, and then we're gonna make sure that all the freaking neighbors are awake. Thank you for watching. See you again next time and goodbye. So by the way, guys, this is amazing. Look what Mark brought us. You can't see it probably, but this is so cool. These are new window stickers for the 308, Mr. 308, and they look awesome. You can't see anything there right now, I think, but Mark, thank you so much. We're gonna put this one on the 308 and the Ford and the BMW, of course. Thank you, man, and thank you for your help.
You're welcome.